everyone, so today I'm going to talk about some of my picks for last month and how they perform, and also talk about some of the opportunity right now in the market. So let's get started. So as you all know, during last month there was a lot happening with Chinese stocks, Li, Baba, Neo, XPEV. First thing that happened, that there was a rumors that they might gonna be delisted, that caused a lot of panic selling. And the second thing was all Neo, Li, and XPV, they had a stock offering which caused even more drop in those stock. And I knew that this drop gonna be temporary and we're gonna have a bounce back soon. So I bought all the dips and I alerted in my Discord, because I knew when people get scared and when they panic sell, that's where you can make money. The stocks get out of the people with weak hands and it's gonna get into the people with stronger hand. So I bought Neo at around $40, $42, basically all the dips, and I knew and I alerted in my Discord that when we get closer to Neo day, the stock gonna be above $50. Right now it's a few days after Neo is trading at around $60, which is over 50% since I traded. So congrats to all those people who got in with me. The other stocks is XPEV, again the same thing. I bought all the dips at I think $41, $44, $45. Yesterday I believe it was trading at around $55, so it's over 16% since I alerted in my Discord. And the same thing with Li, I think it was trading at around $36, which is around 20% higher than when I alerted in my Discord. So congrats to all of you who got in, and hopefully you guys made a lot of money. So the other stock that I'm going to talk about is Baba. Baba also dropped last month and I bought the dip, and as you guys know, a lot happened with Baba. First we got a news that Jack Ma was missing, China had a problem with Baba and they blocked their IPO, and US was thinking about adding them to their ban list, and all those stuff caused a panic sell. I knew that we're gonna have a bounce back and all these dips gonna be temporary, but I kind of guessed that it might take longer for Baba to recover. So I personally sold for 10% loss. But people who hold on to their shares, we got a news today that the ban is gonna be lifted from Baba, and the people who invested shouldn't be worried about it. And we saw a bounce back in Baba. So congrats to all of you who hold to your shares. The next stock that I'm going to talk about is called Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. As you can see in the graph, it initially had a run up to about $92. That's I think where people took profit, and we had a pullback to $86. That's when we got in and alerted in my Discord. My first price target was 91.5, which we tested the channel up there, as you can see, and I said if it breaks the channel, the next price target would be $97. Now it's trading at around $100, which is over 16% since I alerted my Discord. So this was another good trade that I had this month. So the next stock I'm going to talk about is FUBO TV, ticker symbol FUBO. So what happened to this stock? We first had a massive run to $60, above $60. And the next thing, CNBC came and bashed them hard. They told people that this stock is overvalued, and the same thing happened. Panic selling with a different stock. So the stock dropped to below $25, I believe to $23. I didn't get in. I waited for the stock to find the bottom. I think it found the bottom at around $26, $27. That's when I got in. I knew that any sort of news or any sort of reversal was gonna cause a massive short squeeze, and that's what exactly happened. As you can see, we got a news that FUBO TV is going to launch sportsbook in 2021. That means that they are getting into sports betting and they're gonna expand their business. This caused a massive short squeeze, so the stock price jumped from $27 to $37, which is over 40% in just a day. So that was another good trade for me this month. So now let's talk about some of the opportunities in the market. The first stock that I'm going to talk about is a stock VGAC. It's another SPAC that doesn't have a target yet. Let's go through why I think this stock has a potential of running up big. Let's learn more about the company and what is it about. VG Acquisition Corp announces pricing of upsize $480 million initial public offering. Basically, they raised $480 million for this SPAC. Let's see what this company is going to do. The company intends to focus on businesses that operate in one of the Virgin Group's core sector. It can be either travel, financial, health sector, technology, entertainment and media, or renewable energy. But this is not the main reason that I'm investing in this company. Let's look at the management team. As you can see, this guy, Sir Richard Branson, this guy is so famous and he's so good at what he's doing that they call him business magnet. Sometimes when businesses and companies announces his name as part of their management team, their stock price jump to 100 to 200%. He's so good at bringing attention to his SPAC or the company that he owns or he's part of their management team. If I want to mention some of his previous SPACs, he's the guy who brought Virgin Galactic into the stock market. He's now trading under ticker symbol SPCE. Also, he's the guy who brought DraftKings into the market. So he's good at what he's doing. For those of you who are interested in option trading, it's not a bad idea to buy a longer term option expiry, maybe 3 to 4 months from now. And I believe by that time we should get a target merger and this stock is gonna jump massively. The next SPAC that I'm going to talk about is ticker symbol IPOF. IPOF is another SPAC for Capital Group owned by this guy Chamat. Just a quick note about who this guy is. This guy is a chairman of Virgin Galactic right now, ticker symbol SPCE, and he's also a former senior executive of Facebook. He's really good at what he's doing. He's the guy who announced it and brought SoFi company into the market last week under ticker symbol IPOE, and also another SPAC that he's bringing right now is IPOC. Let's go through this company and see why I think it has a potential to run up huge. So IPOF is Chamat's sixth SPAC and it's his biggest one. He raised $1 billion. So I expect this SPAC to be huge. I'm still not sure who their target is, but I trust this guy and I know he's going to bring a lot of hype. As you can see here, the extra team member on this SPAC is Richard Costolo, the former CEO of Twitter. Costolo led Twitter from 2010 to 2015. He was also founder of FedBurner, which was acquired by Alphabet. So there's a lot of good people are in their management team, and I really believe that once they announce their target, this stock's gonna jump massively. The stock that I want to talk about is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. So what happened with Facebook was that last week they blocked Trump's account, and that caused a massive dip. People started panic selling again. It dropped to around $250, which I think is the bottom right now for Facebook. Let's talk about what's gonna happen. So in a few days, Trump gonna be out of the office and people are gonna forget about it and who Trump was. So the stock's gonna be back to $280, $290 because technically nothing has changed in the fundamentals of the company. It is still doing the exact same thing that it was doing when it was trading at $280, $290. At the end, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and turn on your post notification. I leave the link of my Discord in the description. I send live signals when I buy, when I sell. I also answer any questions that you guys have. It is also free, and have a good rest of the week.